Sanibonani, bafundi. Hi guys. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nisaphila kahle. I hope you guys are well. Iviki eliphelile besifunda ngesikhathi sonyaka nezulu. So last week we were learning about weather and season. So today we are going to learn how do we say a weather condition in Zulu. Sizofunda ukusho isimo sezulu ngesiZulu. So to ask someone how is the weather today, you say linjani izulu namhlanje. Linjani izulu namhlanje. Meaning how is the weather today? Or if someone come and ask you linjani izulu namhlanje, they want to know how is the weather today. Okay, so linjani is how is the izulu weather namhlanje today. So linjani izulu namhlanje, it means how is the weather today. So we are going to learn to say today it's cold or it's windy or it's cloudy. We are going to learn to say it in Zulu. First, we're just going to look at the words that we learned last week, the words of the weather. So amafu, remember, is clouds. Amafu is cloud. So now you want to tell someone it's cloudy in Zulu. You say kunamafu. Kunamafu. Meaning it is cloudy. Kunamafu. Okay, so the sun in Zulu, remember, is ilanga. Ilanga. So most of the time, ilanga give us light and heat. So let's say now the sun is up there in the sky and it is warm, and someone come and ask you, linjani izulu namhlanje? How is the weather today? Linjani izulu namhlanje? And when you are feeling hot and you want to tell them it is hot, you say kuyashisa. Kuyashisa. Meaning it is hot. Some people say liyashisa ilanga. That is a spoken language. Liyashisa ilanga. Meaning the sun is hot. Okay. Liyashisa or kuyashisa. They both fine. They both mean it is hot. So something that is cold in Zulu, we call it banda or makaza. Let's say you have ice on your hand, you can say iyabanda or imakaza. So banda and makaza, they mean the same thing, synonyms. They both mean cold. So now if someone come and ask you linjani izulu namhlanje, let's say the weather is cold today, and you want to tell them that it's cold, you say kuyabanda, or you can say limakaza. Kuyabanda limakaza, meaning it is cold. Kuyabanda limakaza. Okay, so now let's look at the word for rain. So rain in Zulu is imvula. Imvula. So to tell someone that today it's raining or it is raining, we say Liana. Liana, meaning it is raining. So some people like to say liyanetha. Liyanetha or liyana, they are both fine. You can use them for the same thing, saying it is raining. Okay, so now let's look at the word for snow. Iqwa. Iqwa. So to tell someone that it is snowing, we say liyakhithika. Liyakhithika, meaning it's snowing. And the word for wind in Zulu is umoya. Umoya. So if someone asks you linjani isizulu, how is the weather, and then you see it's windy today, you can say kunomoya. Kunomoya, meaning it is windy. Some people like to say linomoya izulu. Linomoya izulu. So linomoya, kunomoya, they are both fine. The both says it is windy. So for lightning in Zulu we say umbani. So if so the word for lightning is umbani. So if someone come and ask you, how is the weather today, and you see there's lightning in the sky, you say to them, liyaduma. Liyaduma, meaning there is lightning. Liyaduma. And here we have hail. Hail in Zulu is isichotho. Isichotho. Isichotho is hail. So to tell someone that today or the weather is hailing, we say kunesichotho. Kunesichotho. Okay, grade 3s. So now let's look at the sentences without the pictures. Sizobheka isimo sezulu. So remember, liyakhithika, meaning it's raining. Liyakhithika. Please repeat. Liyakhithika. Good job. Linesichotho. Linesichotho, it's hailing. Linesichotho. Linamafu or kunamafu, meaning it's cloudy. Linamafu, kunamafu, it's cloudy. Linombani, you can say, or kunombani. So li and ku, nombani and linombani, they are both fine. It's just that li, you are referring to the weather. So when you say li, you are referring to the weather. And then the both mean there is lightning. Kufudumele, lifudumele, meaning it is warm. Kufudumele, lifudumele, it is warm. Kunamafu nelanga. It's partly cloudy and partly sunny. So meaning kunamafu nelanga, half sun and half cloud. Okay, so we are going to look at them with the days of the week. So if you want to say today it is windy. Today it is windy. Remember, today is namhlanje. Namhlanje linomoya. Namhlanje kunomoya. meaning today it's windy. Today it is windy. So you want to say ngomsombuluko izulu liyashisa. On Monday it is hot, or on Monday the weather is hot. Ngomsombuluko izulu liyashisa. It means on Monday it is hot. The weather is hot. Okay. NgoLwesibili kuyabanda. NgoLwesibili kumakhaza. On Tuesday it is cold. Liyana kuyanetha. Liyana kuyanetha. It is raining. Okay, now you want to say it will rain. Remember our will is so. You say lizonetha kusasa. It will rain tomorrow. Lizonetha kusasa. It will rain tomorrow. We drop off the ya and replace it with so. Lizoduma. There will be thunder. Lizoduma. There will be thunder. Okay, so that's how we tell the weather in Zulu. So please watch the video and try to practice and say those sentences and say them to your family members. Practice them to your family members. Tell them how is the weather today. So watch the video and practice and practice and practice. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, salani kahle.